Can a heart murmur cause a cough in dogs? Have you ever wondered if a heart murmur in dogs can lead to coughing? This is a common concern among pet owners, and understanding the connection is important for your furry friend's health. A heart murmur is an unusual sound that a veterinarian can hear during an examination. It happens due to turbulent blood flow within the heart. While a heart murmur itself is not a disease, it often signals an underlying heart condition. When a dog has a heart murmur, coughing can occur, especially if the heart disease progresses to heart failure. In heart failure, the heart may enlarge, a condition known as cardiomegaly. This enlarged heart can press against the trachea or windpipe, causing irritation that leads to coughing. Additionally, heart failure can cause fluid to build up in the lungs, a situation referred to as pulmonary edema. This fluid can make it hard for your dog to breathe and can also trigger coughing. However, it is essential to remember that not all coughing in dogs with a heart murmur is due to heart issues. Many dogs may cough for other reasons, such as respiratory infections, kennel cough, or tracheal collapse. This is why a thorough evaluation by a veterinarian is crucial. The vet will assess your dog's overall health, listen to the heart and lungs, and may suggest diagnostic tests to find the real cause of the cough. When a dog shows both a heart murmur and a cough, the veterinarian will take a detailed history and perform a physical exam. They might recommend chest X-rays or echocardiography to get a clearer picture of what is happening inside your dog's body. Monitoring your dog's sleeping respiratory rate, which is the number of breaths per minute while resting, can also help distinguish between heart-related and non-heart-related causes of coughing. Dogs experiencing heart failure often have a higher sleeping respiratory rate. In summary, while a heart murmur can be linked to coughing in dogs, especially if heart disease is involved, it is not the only reason for a cough. Getting an accurate diagnosis from a veterinarian is vital for effective treatment and management. This way, you can ensure your dog receives the best care possible if they are dealing with both a heart murmur and a cough.